Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bob Iacino along with Mike Arnold. It is May 28th. This is a weekend update path chat covering individual stocks for the week starting May 28th. We've got updates on some of the ones we've been following and then one new one, Shake Shack, that Mike's going to cover. If you're interested in the review of last week and the preview from an economic data release standpoint of next week, check out about the first 12 to 14 minutes of the FX Path Chat, which is on our YouTube channel as well. Again, Memorial Day holiday this weekend. We want to wish a very sincere and grateful thank you to those of you who have served. So the U.S. will be quiet. Obviously, the U.S. stock market will not be open, but it will open again bright and early Tuesday. And because there's no trade overnight, all of the things that Mike's going to show you will apply when the market reopens on Tuesday morning. Having said that, let me turn it over to Mike to let you know what he's seeing on the charts. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. So we're going to go over some of our remaining doubles on the weekly time frame, and then a new stock, Shake Shack, which is forming a very similar pattern to Chipotle, which we talked about on our podcasts. So just going to put out a possible early entry on Shake Shack. So FNSR came back in the rotation zone after hitting our stop reduction. Again, our stop reduction level is just above 30.83, so nothing else to do here. First target, $20 on that. NRG came down, rotating back up, triggered entry, nowhere near our stops, nothing else to do there. FCX, still trading, holding at the stop reduction zone. We already lowered our stop to just above 14.36. Nothing to do there. FNB still holding at the stop reduction zone, which was lowered to just above 15.20. Nothing else to do there. GBCI caught again on the 50 last week, rallied back up this week, came up to the declining rotation zone, the prior base of this double top, and closed lower, but nothing else to do. We have not lowered the stop yet on there. Finally, Shake Shack. This is on a weekly. This is a slightly more aggressive trade. We did get a close above our weekly defining point. In some of these stocks, there just aren't clear paths. This one, we can watch for it. This is an early entry into a horizontal channel. We have a first cross rotation zone, especially if you get a slight pullback around the 35.80 mark. It could be a really good entry. Stop's going to go below 29.86. You can raise the stop when it hits this upper end of our horizontal channel right around the 40.88 mark. Then you can raise the stop again at 45.92, and the profit targets are 48.39 and 50.88 area. So if you're interested in Shake Shack, it ran up with the IPO, then declined, and has formed a really nice horizontal base. So that's what we're watching for with that one. That's all we have for you. Back to you, Bob.
Thank you for that, Michael. And cheers to everybody. Again, have a safe and happy holiday weekend if you're in the U.S. The rest of you, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next Path Chat. If you like what we're doing, please hit like and think about subscribing so you can get updates to our next Path Chat. Cheers, everyone.